You're Sam the Wiggle?
Yes. I played the song.
You gonna play us a song?
Yeah.
What are you gonna sing? Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle?
Well, you should have plenty of video on your nephew now for.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna show everybody at the nut hut.
Up there.
Okay, ready?
Twinkle, twinkle, when
Well, that was that was not Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
I think it was the beginning of it. Try it again. Wow, there's so much.
No.
Yeah, sing Twinkle Twinkle.
Hey, don't you have some really cool Wiggle songs you sing?
Hey, don't touch that. You have to ask.
Please.
Yes, you can touch it.
Okay.
You just have to ask first.
Hey, don't you know some really cool Wiggle songs?
Yeah.
I don't know any. Can you teach me one?
Auntie doesn't know any of your Wiggle songs.
Can you teach me a Wiggle song?
No.
You sing
Why?
Everybody clap.
How does that go?
No. No. Yes. Please. Okay.
Keys.
No. Please.
I can see everybody that I show this to going.
Oh, this is cheese?
Please.
Keys.
Sing.
Sing a song.
What's this song?
Come on, you're a pro.
Does he know any Christmas ones?
Can you sing Jingle Bells?
No.
Sing it.
He's more infatuated with Tori's.
Oh,
Tori's
yeah.
camera case.
Jingle Bells, Jingle
What are you doing? What are you digging in there for? Did Aunt Tori tell you to go in there?
Yeah, I told him he could check it out. As long as he just doesn't unzip the pouch, it's fine.
Well, that's what he's doing.
Oh. Don't open it, Michael. My memory cards are in there.
That's what he's digging his fingers in.
No, Mama.
Yeah, don't open it. I don't want to lose them, honey.
She said you could open it up and look at it, not dig around
So
it.
Rudolph, Mr. Red Nose.
How about Rudolph?
This.
Do you know Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer?
Mama.
Do we give any sugar in there?
Eat five.
Yeah, probably the pineapple juice in the ham. Where you going?
You can tell me there's not the flowers until we're done.
What are you doing? You're looking at the flowers and the rocks?
That's this one.
Yeah. Nope, stay here.